This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Toyota RAV4, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a power sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. This crossover has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.